Hey everybody, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Glad to be back with y'all. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. I know I did. Man, everything was good. Enjoying the new fire pit still. But we gonna me and Carrie actually went by the butcher block, one of the specialty meat places and stuff where they got all kind of junk stuff and everything and wrapped up and bacon. So what we did, we actually went and found some bacon pepper jack chicken thighs, and that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So we're gonna see how that junk is. Also found some what is this, pepper jack chicken sausage. Man, y'all check that out. Y'all can see that or not. Might be kind of hard to see with the light, but we're gonna throw some of that junk on the grill. Got the Weber out there fired up, getting happy, and I got some regular old Amanda smoked sausage, and probably a couple of little sides and stuff. Just a little quick cook for y'all. Want to try this out and see how it tastes. So we're gonna check it out together. How about that? So I'll meet y'all out by the pit in a little bit. All right, we got these chicken thighs opened up, and they got some little seasoning on them, but we're gonna jack them up a notch. We're gonna put some Uncle Steve's competition bird powder on these dudes. Get a little more seasoning on here, you know what I mean? Well, that looks a little bit better. A little bit on the end there. On the back side. Oh yeah. Alright. That looks better. Alright, then we'll get this other stuff on there in a little while. So hey, I'll meet y'all outside. Alright, man, y'all welcome back. We got the Weber going. We just put the charcoal in the middle. We're gonna put these around the outside, around our little ring of fire here, and we're gonna let them dudes cook just like that. Kind of indirect, you know. And I might throw a little apple wood on there, something, cherry wood or something after a while. But we're gonna let these go. We'll come back, check them in probably about 10-15 minutes, so we'll be back. Alright gang, we've been about 15-20 minutes. Miss Carrie got me a new digital thermometer. It's Alpha Grillers, and I checked it against my Javelin, and it's within a couple of degrees, man, and it actually lights up so I can see what I'm doing at night. That's pretty neat, man. So let's check this chicken, y'all, see what we're temping at. Turn this thing around here. 30. Ooh, 152. 154. 140. Alright, I'm gonna probably move a couple of these around. And we got a little bit more to go, y'all. We'll check back in about another probably 15 minutes. Another 10 minutes, so we'll flip our chicken over here and put our pepper jack chicken sausage on there, and that's our regular sausage right there. So add a little more cherry wood. We're gonna let it go about another 10 minutes, and we'll come back and check on it. Here's something y'all ain't seen me use in a long time. That's the old gasser right there, man. But I'm doing some steamed broccoli. I didn't want to stank up the house, so I got the side burner lit right here. So we're gonna let that go a little bit. Anyway, we'll be back, y'all. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Let's check this chicken, man. Yeah, about 170. That looking good. 165 is not done enough for me. We in the 170s there. We're gonna have to restoke a little bit. That's 170. Chicken sausage gotta be done too, you know. Pork sausage is alright. Yeah, that's still kind of cold there. About 150. Yeah. Alright. Let me get this chicken pulled off, and we're gonna ramp this up a little bit more. Stir our coals up and get this sausage cooked, so we'll be back. Alright, let's check this sausage. Oh boy, it smells good, I tell you that. That nice and plumped up. I'm gonna flip this over a little bit and scoot it back. Oh yeah. They're done. They're about to split there. It's looking good, y'all. Move this back a little bit over here. And we're gonna put us some garlic bread on there. And let's do that. We're gonna put us a piece right there. And we're gonna put us a piece right there. And it's only gonna take for the bread about, well, maybe 10 minutes or something like that. Anyway, the sauce is looking good. With the bread about 10 minutes and everything ought to be done. I did pull the broccoli off of the gas grill and shut it down, so we'll be back. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Everything's done, pulled off, and almost forgot. A little crooked there, moonshine. There you go. Alright, chicken's done, the sauce is done, got the bread done, broccoli is done, and almost forgot. And we got some, it's like a pre-made jalapeno macaroni and cheese, which we're going to try that out too. So, but y'all come down here and let's see if we can cut this chicken thigh open and see what we got, man. Anything wrapped in bacon is pretty good, you know? So let's see. Let's see what we got, y'all. Y'all see that okay. Let's just cut this dude down the middle. Oh yeah. Bacon pepper jack chicken thighs. Look at that. Tempted out about 170. I'll try it out, y'all. It's pretty good. So, alright, y'all come back up here. Let's get a little piece of this. Hey, y'all hear Gizmo, huh? He's so bad. So bad. He loves it when Daddy cooks. Anyway, let's cut a little piece of this off the side here. Pepper jack chicken thighs. Cheers to y'all. It's in there. Oh man, babe, I gotta make that homemade, yeah. That's pretty good. You know, with the Uncle Steve's competition bird powder. Oh yeah. He's just excited. One more time, we're gonna hit that. Y'all, that's good. Alright. Now let's try a little piece of the pepper jack chicken sausage. There. See that piece of green onion? Pepper jack. Cheers to you. Y'all, that's good. And the pepper jack nice and creamy. Ooh, good little heat on the back. Oh yeah. I like that. Now let's try a little bit of this. I'm going to say it's some jalapeno mac and cheese because that's sure what it looked like. Anyway, cheers to you guys. That's jalapeno. Oh, that's good. We're going to make that too, babe. Homemade. Alright, gang. Get y'all a couple of plate picks. Look, I found a straggler chicken. Alright. Get y'all some plate picks. Appreciate y'all stopping by Roadhouse, man. Y'all have a good one. So until next time, bye-bye.